Something that makes Relativity and all of its technicians unique is that we all come from very different backgrounds.
I was a freelance 3D animator. I also was working on motorcycles. I was working on guitar parts. So lots of hands-on actual manufacturing and fabrication. So this was really like a whirlwind of all the things that interest me.
Prior to joining Relativity, I was a teacher and a football coach. And I made sure that our kids were preparing for college and doing study halls, and they turned the tables on me. I had the passion to do it. It was something I wanted to do. It was something I wanted to make that career change and get into.
I was previously in the Navy for 5 years, worked on helicopters, built engines and rotary. And then that led me into the aerospace world, and there I built other rocket engines and pretty cool stuff, and that eventually led me here, which was very relatable to what I've done in the past. And it's pretty cool being part of a company in the earlier stages.
So I think my career really first started when I went to school at Cal Poly SLO. I went into my first manufacturing class, Machining 101, and the teacher in that class saw that I was really interested in using my hands to make things, and I really knew that that was my passion because I dived in deep with it.
At first, my favorite part was robots, lasers, and computer programs. So now I can say it's the people. I love the people here. Everyone, all the new hires, all the people that I met coming in, everyone is genuinely excited to be here.
One of the great things about here is attention to detail. We have to be meticulous about the things that we do because these little measurements are gonna carry on to affect other things that are carry on to affect something else. The importance of it is never lost on me, and that's exciting.
Me as a technician and the experience that I've gotten throughout the years, I'm able to bring it here to Relativity. And working with the other engineers and the other technicians, we like to collaborate and bring those ideas together, and it's exciting to know that our input is worthy here, and so it can go far further, so it's pretty exciting.
I think the coolest part of my job is that right now I'm getting to help design the machine shop for our next headquarters, and so that's not just copying the machine shop that we have now, that's thinking 5-10 years into the future and thinking, what are we going to need and how can we improve what we have now and how can we really spend the time planning this out. And so I have direct control over what that's going to be like, and I think that's amazing.